Check out this Instagram account. It has already grown past 7,000 followers, and many of its videos have crossed millions of views. And what are they posting? Simple rust cleaning transformation videos. Old, corroded metal objects turning into shiny, polished steel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create these viral rust cleaning transformations using AI. You don't need complicated software. You don't need multiple tools. I've created one master prompt to get what you wanted. First, open the prompt link in the description. Copy the entire master prompt. Next, open ChatGPT and paste it there. It will instantly generate 10 different rusted object ideas for you.
For this example, we will use a wrench.
Just type the number linked to it. ChatGPT will now generate two things, an image prompt and a matching video prompt. Now head over to Gemini AI. Click on Create Image. Select the thinking mode. Copy the image prompt from ChatGPT and paste it into Gemini AI. Click Generate. Within seconds, you'll get a rusty
wrench
image. The more extreme the rust, the better the transformation. Download that image. Now it's time for the transformation. Go to Frames to Video inside Flow AI.
Upload the rusty wrench image.
Copy the video prompt from ChatGPT and paste it there. Click Generate. Within seconds, your heavily rusted hammer gradually transforms into a clean, polished metal tool. Save the video. That's how you create satisfying, viral rust cleaning transformation videos using AI, smooth cleaning action, and a shiny final reveal. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe for more AI tutorials.